5 hacks to boost collagen naturally over age 40 that don't include drinking bone broth. If you're ready to make sure you are taking care of your body as you start to get older, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be sharing 5 ways to boost collagen that are scientifically proven so you can maintain youthful skin and joints at all ages. Let's take a quick look at collagen and why it's so important. Collagen is actually the most abundant protein in our body and is responsible for maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, and even joints. Collagen production naturally declines as we age, starting in our mid to late 20s. At such an early age, we hardly notice we are losing collagen, but it becomes much more noticeable in our 30s, 40s, 50s as our skin starts to wrinkle and sag and our joints start to weaken. But don't worry, with these collagen boosting hacks I'm about to share, you can help yourself to age much more gracefully. First up is red light therapy. This is one of the newer developments in taking care of your skin and body. If you've seen red light beds and red light devices for home use, it's because of the collagen boosting anti-aging properties in red light therapy. Red light therapy involves the use of low level red or near infrared light wavelengths that penetrate the skin. When the skin is exposed to this light, it can promote cellular activity that stimulates the production of collagen and elastin fibers. Some of the more popular lights on the market are the Saluma lights, and if you're looking for a cheaper handheld device, you could take a look at Lightstim's line of handheld devices. A lot of gyms even have red light beds you can use for a small fee. Studies have demonstrated the beneficial effects of red light therapy on collagen synthesis and skin rejuvenation. Red light will help to smooth out the texture of your skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, enhance overall skin tone, and even help stimulate collagen production in your joints. It's important to note that not all red lights are the same, and to experience the benefits of red light therapy, you need to have a good medical grade light that has been tested to ensure accurate light wavelengths. Next up is a collagen boosting diet. The foods we eat have a direct impact on our body's collagen production. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C and taking vitamin C supplements is a huge help in boosting collagen synthesis. Getting healthy servings of citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens is crucial. If you aren't able to consume enough vitamin C through the foods you eat, you can always take a supplement. Look for a high-quality supplement that will give you the recommended daily value of vitamin C. But don't worry, since vitamin C is water-soluble and doesn't collect in your fat cells, it would be difficult to take too much. One supplement a day will surely be enough, though. As we move on, let's highlight 2 things that will break down your collagen at a faster rate and you definitely want to avoid. Smoking is the #1 greatest offender of early aging, and one big reason is that smoking accelerates collagen breakdown. The chemicals in cigarette smoke impair collagen production and reduce its elasticity, resulting in premature aging signs like wrinkles and saggy skin. So get the help you need to quit smoking. Next is UV exposure. While a little bit of sun can help you get the vitamin D you need, excessive sun exposure can damage collagen fibers. Ultraviolet rays from the sun are a big cause of early aging if you aren't careful to protect your skin with sunscreen, protective clothing, and staying out of the sun during peak hours. So keep those 2 collagen destroyers in mind. Collagen boosting hack number 3 is using a retinoid or retinol-based product. Retinoids are lotions derived from vitamin A that have been proven to stimulate collagen synthesis. These powerful compounds can help to improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, and enhance skin elasticity. If you ask any dermatologist or esthetician about the most important skin care product for women over the age of 30, they will say retinol. Now, everyone has their favorite line of skincare products. My favorite medical grade skincare is the Zeo Skin Health line. They have amazing skincare, and no, I'm not getting anything free by recommending it. I'm just a total believer in their products. Other great medical grade skincare lines to look at are Elta MD, Epionce, Obagi, Jan Marini, and there are several others. Our next collagen boosting hack is what we call collagen induction therapy, also known as microneedling. Microneedling is a minimally invasive procedure that stimulates your skin's natural ability to repair itself, as well as stimulating collagen and elastin production. You can go to a dermatologist or any med spa to get a microneedling treatment. Treatments are best spaced 30 days apart, and you will need at least 3 treatments for collagen synthesis induction, and your skin will glow and feel silky smooth after you've done these treatments. With the wide availability of the treatments, they aren't very expensive anymore, and you can always check things like Groupon to see if you can get a good deal in your area. The last collagen boosting hack we are going to discuss is limiting your sugar intake. A diet rich in sugar products promotes the formation of advanced glycation end products. That's a fancy name for things that break down collagen. Limiting sugar consumption by reading the back of food labels and looking at either the added sugar line in the nutrition label or reading the ingredient list will point out those sugars. We all know we shouldn't be eating a bunch of sugar. As we get older, that advice is so much more important for so many reasons. Limit your sugar intake, and your skin will thank you with a very healthy glow. So, there you have it, 5 collagen boosting hacks. For more info, check out one of the videos on the following screen.